Well, hello everybody. How are you? I almost fell backwards. It's Greg Baird of Gregor Speaks, of course. Happy Monday. I hope everybody is doing great today. It is a chilly one in Chicago today. It's gonna be a high of 18, so gotta bundle up. I gotta look like what's that character's name from South Park? Kenny. I gotta look like Kenny all with his coat on and everything. So anyway, lots of stuff going on. Weekend was pretty chilled out, no pun intended. Just had a few things and working on some conference stuff. I have a LGBTQ plus conference in about 45 minutes. So I gotta do this very quickly, change up. It's virtual. I'm sitting right here behind me. But a lot of stuff going on, a lot of chatter right now, and some people are asking me about TikTok. I am on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, but also Facebook, and people are going, what's going to happen with your videos on here? Well, I'm going to tell you, please subscribe to me if you haven't already on YouTube. It's Gregor Speaks or Gregor Baird. I have a lot of videos on there, and I'll be doing more stuff on YouTube if TikTok gets... So my thoughts on that, because it's supposed to be going offline here in the United States on January 19th, and I don't think they're going to resolve things this week. And I feel bad for a lot of people I follow. I enjoy watching a lot of the positive stuff here on TikTok that are posting, but I have to tell you, TikTok is very particular on what you can post. Like I remember doing a cooking video for Gregor Seasoning, and I was using a knife cutting up stuff, and I got a warning that I could be banned because I used a knife in cutting up vegetables. So I mean, there's some ridiculous things I see people getting banned for. And so my thought is, I think it's probably going to be done unless some wealthy billionaire ends up buying it in the United States, or they come up with another app that is a lot better and improved. So I don't know. I just feel bad for a lot of people, because there's a lot of people making a lot of money, and it's their livelihood on TikTok. So I know some people are pretty wrecked about it right now. I wish I was at that point where I was making some money, but I can do that on YouTube with lecture stuff in my usual posts. So that's what I have to say about it. So anyway, lecture stuff going on this week, and it's going to be a cold one. I am shopping around for a new chair for my living room, and I wonder if anybody has ever bought anything from Wayfair. I think I'm going to go to their store up in Wilmette, Illinois tomorrow to check things out. I don't know. I'm trying to get a good deal on the chair. I have this old thing that I've had for 20 years, and it's time for it to go. I'm ready to donate to somebody who wants it, but I just need something a little bit more comfortable and brighter and wonderful, like me. No, that's all I have. I'm looking around. That's about all I got going today. I got some work to do. I hope you're working today. I hope it's a good day. Please donate to the Red Cross. Help the people out, not only in Southern California from all the fires, which is horrible, still going on, but it seems to me we've forgotten a lot of people in North Carolina and a few other states that are living in tents and small structures and things from the hurricane that passed through there. You don't hear anything about them anymore. We need to help everybody out. So don't forget, give to the Red Cross, do your research online, find a legitimate source to give to, and let's all be out there for humanity and loving one another, and let not the craziness of the world get us down. That's what I'm doing today. All right? Subscribe, like, and share. I'll talk to you on Wednesday. And comment, all that other good stuff. I'd like to hear from you. Have a good one. I got to bundle up. I got work to do. See ya.